Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we just go ahead and open this box up, which you'll probably already know what's in it based off the title, I'm just going to quickly explain the series I'm doing, which is the eBay special. So that is literally just going on eBay and buying parts and then putting them on the Yaris. The Yaris because, you know, it's just a bit funny, isn't it, really? It's just for a laugh, and you wouldn't really expect someone to modify a Yaris. But that can range from many parts, such as performance ones. I know you can't really make a Yaris quicker just off like an air filler or an exhaust, but you know, you get what I mean. Visuals, well, that'll be some random crappy wrap off eBay or a lip kit or whatever you can get. So the first one we're going to do is the electric exhaust cutout. Now, I've not seen many of these in the UK, so hopefully this is going to be a first. I'm pretty sure no one's got one of these on a Yaris. Normally they go on like high horsepower cars or turbo cars, because there's one issue with this, which you'll see when I open it. This is a 2.5 inch stainless pipe, and the Yarises are 1.75 from standard, so you will see the ridiculous reducers I've got. Basically, I had to get them custom made because they don't sell that big of a reduction. But yeah, we'll go ahead, we'll open it up and I'll show you what you get inside the box. Right, so this is basically what comes in the box. It is like a bit everywhere, but there is some sort of organisation, so you know, you can't complain. They'd actually come from China, and surprisingly, I did buy it off eBay. This was £75 I think, with free shipping, and it did come relatively quickly. Like, I think estimated was a week, but I got this within like 3-4 days, so that's a bonus. And just before I continue, these are the reducers I had to get. This does not come with this kit. I had to separately buy these off eBay. But yeah, that is just ridiculous. Like, that's the 2.5 inch and that is the 1.75. So that will slide on one end, as you'll see when I get it out. But yeah, let's get into the main thing, which is the actual reducer itself, which is wrapped. I have already opened this obviously to test it and make sure it does work, so bits will be everywhere, but this is the actual main piece and it's fairly heavy. That is it. Like, the welds on him, if it'll focus, I think you can barely see, but yeah, that is a 2.5 inch stainless pipe, and there is obviously where you bolt the cutout to. It comes with bolts, so you'll bolt your cutout here. That'll go into your car like that. Your original pipe will go through, and then you'll obviously have your valve, which will open and shut. It's not too bad to say it's from China. Like, the walls are pretty much spot on. There's no leaks, there's no gaps. That is the main piece you're gonna get. Then in this first box, just open it up, you get all your modules and your controllers. So here is the, I think that's the connector wire, which will obviously go from your valve to this wire, I believe, and then this wire connects up to the box, and then you get your power from your cig lighter. But when I was testing this, the range on that is insane. I was stood from inside and I could still operate it, so that'll probably go in the engine bay somewhere, and then we'll wire that up through the firewall. So as we're moving on to this second box, your valve is in here, and they give you some gaskets, which is decent. They're quite thick. Yeah, this is on camera it doesn't show it, but this is huge in real life. Like, that is it compared to my hand. It's ridiculously huge, but yeah, it's a nice motor. You can see it doesn't let any light through the back of it, so that's good. It means it's got a good seal, no exhaust leaks. Then obviously you got your wire here, which will connect into your extension wire, then go to your module. That's the remote little unlock lock. We've got a V-band connector, so obviously this will bolt on to the cutout side. That'll bolt on after the motor, and then you've always got your V-band clamp, V-band, I don't know what's there, and then you got your turn down pipe, which can't be asked to open it up because you should pretty much know what they look like. So now, yeah, that's basically what comes in the box, excluding my reducers, which is I've got off eBay as well. So yeah, I think they were £7 a piece, which ain't too bad, but yeah. So in a minute we're going to go outside and put this on the Yaris, and if you ask why, it's just literally for a laugh. That's all I'm doing it for. You wouldn't really expect it on one of them, and I just think it's going to be really cool. Just literally stood at a red light, nothing silent, and then click of a button, straight pipe. But the thing about this is, I'm putting this on after the cat because the Yaris is weird. It's got its headers and its cat literally directly underneath it, so I won't be able to put it there. But there's a nice straight bit just after the cat, so hopefully I'm going to put that in between there. I don't want to cut into this pipe, but if I have to, I will do. I'm definitely going to have to cut the standard exhaust, because once you get underneath you'll get to see what I mean. I'm hopefully going to be able to make it fit, because the reducers do add a bit of length on as well. It should be a slide on slide off job, so if I do need to put the original pipe back on, literally just need joiners and then that job's a good one. So I'm going to go over to my mate's house and he's going to help me film, because I don't think my tripod's going to fit underneath the car. But yeah, we're definitely going to have to get the grinder out. Hopefully it does work. I'm hoping it's going to take around half an hour, 45 minutes, but every time I say that, it just takes a lot longer. But yeah, I will see you in a minute. Right, so he joined me. Hey! I have just jacked the car up, but I forgot my hydraulic jack, so I've had to use that bloody thing down there. We've got it up, and we're just going to go underneath the car. I'm just going to quickly measure it up, and we are going to have to trim that pipe, but yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. Time to cut up that exhaust the same length with this one, so it actually goes on the car. I actually think it's on spot on, you know. Fucking hell. Oh god. It's gonna be a tight fit. I reckon we'll have to chop off a bit more.
The worst car mod I've ever seen.
Things that fit.
Do you know this could have all been avoided if I bought the right size reducers? Oh yes, I got it in. Come on, that's celebration, boys.
Yeah, sorted.
Hey?
Sorted.
I'm going to put some exhaust sealer on it anyways.
Worm.
Right.
He's chilling.
Woo! Let's put the fucking flap on it. Shall we start it up with no exhaust? That's about it.
Here we go. Jesus Christ.
That sounds good. That just sounds sick.
I don't know about sick.
That
Actually sounds better than your Civic did.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't sound brilliant, but it sounds damn. Alright, let's try and get this on. We'll put the flap on, start it, because then it'll be short, and then see how badly it blows. Right. It's going to hang right low, this, you know.
It's alright until you go over a speed bump and knock it off.
Oh,
all
shit.
that work down the drain.
Oh yes, it just about fits. Just that fits.
Vent to atmosphere.
It's 2-1. Oh, you bastard.
For God's sake.
I think it's on backwards.
Sorry, weren't this an half an hour jog? How long's it been?
Oh, that's a lot better. We don't even have to cut the exhaust anymore.
For God's sake.
What did I get here? We started about 4:15. Mind you, it took me about half an hour to jack the car up.
It should not take half hour to jack a car up.
Hey, don't judge. Where's the other bloody gasket here? Right, boys, third time lucky. Oh, Jesus. Third time lucky.
You got a nice hole in your trackies on video.
Hey! Stop looking at me.
Stop looking at my holes. Ahsan, okay, 19. I have to think what year it is there.
This actually turned out alright, you know.
I wouldn't call it alright personally, but
Oh God, have I bought wrong size clamp?
if it don't pop and bang, it's not been worth it.
I'm gonna take it back to Toyota. Like, why has this not got a turbo on it? He comes.
Right, T-Sport on it, permanent marker.
Put that right AMG on it.
Take it to Merc. Where's my turbo?
Everyone knows an AMG.
Not different. Is that what it offered?
That's what I was talking to you about. That's a bit short. That's a bit open. What was?
Safe to say you've ruined your car. Mate, that's nearly touching floor. That
so
cutout is like that.
What's this one?
Yeah, because it's spinning.
Don't. Oh. That's right. Well, when I get that welded up tomorrow,